Hey everyone, this is Sonal and welcome back to my channel Strategies. In today's video, I would like to show you how I click flat lay photographs for my Instagram. But before I jump into that, I would like to discuss some basic and commonly asked questions about flat lay photography. For those of you who do not know what flat lay photography is, if you are a frequent user of Instagram or Pinterest or Tumblr, you might have seen photographs where uh, certain objects are kept on a surface and the photograph is taken from a top view. In layman's term, I would say that it is a bird's eye view photography because everything that you want to showcase on a surface, you can beautifully capture it from a top view. The other very commonly asked question is what kind of background should we use for flat lay photography? So I personally use everything that I lay my hands on. I have used tablecloths, I have used bed sheets, I have used curtains, chart papers. You can basically find any kind of paper or any kind of cloth material that you have, or you can even take it on the floor or on the table. And if you want, you can use torn pages from books, but I personally do not like that because mummy maar degi. Also, flat lay photography is one of the most minimalistic methods of capturing a photograph and showing what you have to showcase. बहुत सारा शो बोल दिया. But yeah, so you can literally use minimum amount of subjects for the photograph and you can beautifully and cleanly execute a picture. अब हमने बहुत सारा ज्ञान बांट लिया, इसलिए आई वुड लाइक टू स्विच ऑन टू द practical part of the video. So let's get started. So those were a few photographs that I clicked on various backgrounds. You can literally choose any background that you wish to. Like I said earlier, it totally depends on you. The main thing that you need to keep in mind while shooting a flat lay is that go for a cleaner look. Do not mess up the arrangement. Keep a maximum of 3 to 4 objects and make one of them your primary object on which you want to focus. In case you want to go for a messier look, make sure that you do not tend to make it cluttered or dirty, and your main object should stand out from the rest of the surroundings. And yeah, so that's it for today, and I'll be showing you some other favorite pictures of mine which I took earlier. And if you want to see more of my flat lays, I'll add a link to my Instagram below. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next week. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Swagitarius. In today's video, I would like. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Swagitarius. This is Sonal, and in today's episode, I would like to show you how I take. Hey everyone, this is Sonal, and welcome back to my channel Swagitarius. In today's video, I would like to show you how I click photographs नहीं मैं चल फ्लैट और तेल